Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to seamlessly integrate Todoist tasks directly into Notion. By the end of this video, you'll be able to move your Todoist task manager into Notion, so you can centralize your productivity and manage everything all in one place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Todoist account. If you're like me, you might already be logged in from your browser, but if not, just head over to Todoist.com and enter your credentials. This login is crucial because you'll need direct access to your projects and tasks. Todoist is such a flexible tool for managing daily tasks, and we want that same flexibility inside Notion. Once you're logged into Todoist, go to the specific project or view that you want to bring over to Notion. Here's a little tip. Make sure you choose the project or view that you'll actually use inside Notion, whether it's a daily to-do list, a work project, or your grocery shopping. Now, at the top of your browser, simply copy the URL. This URL is essentially the live link to your Todoist project. Think of it like cutting out a window through which Notion will be able to peek into your Todoist workspace. Next, hop over to Notion. Open up the page where you want your Todoist tasks to appear. You can create a new page just for this or add it to an existing workspace. The choice is yours. Once you're on the page, just paste the URL you copied directly into Notion. Notion is super smart about recognizing different types of content, and it'll ask you how you want to handle this link. Select the embed option. This step is really key. It tells Notion to actually show the Todoist workspace inside your page, not just as a text link. Embedding creates a live, interactive view right in Notion, so as you add or change tasks in Todoist, it'll update in real time here. It's almost like building a digital window between your two productivity tools. Now, after you click Embed, you might notice the window is a bit small. Don't worry, just expand the embedded section by dragging its edges or pulling the window down. This will give you a much better view of your Todoist tasks and make it easier to interact with them. It's kind of like resizing a picture frame so you can see the whole landscape instead of just a tiny portion. Take a moment to adjust it so it's comfortable and easy to use. Once that's set up, it's time to actually add tasks. Inside the embedded Todoist window, you'll see the familiar Todoist interface. Simply click on Add Task, just like you would inside the regular Todoist app. Enter your new task, set a due date or priority if you need, and hit Save. You can repeat this for as many tasks as you'd like. Don't worry if the interface feels a little squished at first. It may take a few tries to get the embedded window just right for you. If something looks off, just resize again until it feels natural. And that's the whole process. You now have a live Todoist task manager sitting right inside Notion. No switching apps, no cluttered workflow. This integration makes it incredibly easy to keep your tasks organized, and you'll save tons of time as you won't be bouncing back and forth. It's really as simple as copying, pasting, and embedding. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any tricky spots. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more easy Notion tips, productivity hacks, or app integrations, make sure to subscribe for upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.